Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will talk about some extra functions and things in the Python programming language. Here are some important key features and functions that we will cover in this video. Set, global variable, map function, list comprehension, and dictionary comprehension. In Python, a set is an unordered collection of unique elements. A global variable is a variable defined outside of any function and can be accessed from anywhere within the program. The difference between global variable and local variable is that a global variable in Python is defined outside of any function and can be accessed from anywhere in the program, while a local variable is defined within a function and is accessible only within that function's scope. The map function in Python applies a given function to each item of an iterable, like a list, and returns a map object that can be converted to a list, providing a concise way to transform data without using explicit loops. List and dictionary comprehensions are concise way to create lists and dictionaries in Python using a single line of code. They provide a more readable and efficient alternative to traditional loops. Let's head to VS Code for practical examples. I will open a new file, code extra.py. Now I will work out one example of the mentioned features. Let's start with set. My_list equals to, inside brackets, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5. Then my_set equals to set, inside parentheses, my_list. And at the end, print, inside parentheses, my_set. In this example, the list my_list contains some duplicate elements. When we convert my_list to a set using set function, the duplicates are automatically removed, resulting in a set with unique elements. Now if I run this, Python extra.py, you can see it outputs 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's work with global variables. Global_var equals to 5. Then def multiply underscore by underscore global, inside parentheses, num, colon, return num times global_var. Then result equals to multiply underscore by underscore global, inside parentheses, 10. And at the end, print result. Global_var is a global variable defined outside any functions. The function multiply underscore by underscore global or multiply by global takes a number as input and multiplies it by the global variable, so-called global_var. If I run this, you can see it outputs 50. Now let's work with the map function. Numbers equals to, inside brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then def double underscore number, inside parentheses, x, colon, return x times 2. Then doubled underscore numbers equals to list, inside parentheses, map, inside parentheses, double underscore number, comma, numbers. and at the end print inside parentheses doubled underscore numbers. In this code snippet, a list of numbers is defined. A function double underscore number is defined that doubles a given number x. The map function is used to apply the double number function to each element of the numbers list. The result, which contains the doubled numbers, is converted to a list using the list function. Now if I run this, you can see it outputs 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The double numbers list is printed. Now let's work with list and dictionary comprehensions. Let me code a simple program. Squares 1 equals to open bracket, close bracket. For x in range inside parentheses 10 colon squares 1 dot append inside parentheses x asterisk 2, then print inside parentheses squares 1. It takes 3 to 4 lines. Using list comprehensions, or so-called the Pythonic way, it is done like this. Squares 2 equals to inside brackets x double asterisk 2, then for x in range 10. At the end, print inside parentheses squares 2. Here is how it's done. First, it assigns a list to the squares 2 variable. Then it assigns a loop for x in range 10. Then it squares each element. Now let's run both of these. You can see it outputs 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, and 81. Now let's do the same with dictionary. Square underscore dict 1 equals to open braces, close braces, for x in range 1, 6, colon, square underscore dict 1 inside brackets x equals to x double asterisk 2 or x power 2. Print inside parentheses square underscore dict 1. Or the Pythonic way, square underscore dict 2 equals to inside braces x colon x power 2 for x in range 1, 6. Then print square underscore dict 2. It assigns a dictionary to the variable, then loops in the range of 1 to 6, and for each value it makes a key value pair where keys are 1 to 5 and values are the square of keys. Now if I run this, you can see it outputs 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, ... Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new.